excited. Portmore say excited. Talent show excited. Everything me do me. I thank the blacks to do this, no. And I'm gonna do this. Hey, right now I'm feeling. Right now I'm feeling. Everybody just 100 talent. All the girl them. Now make your way to center stage and introduce yourself to TV world. You know what I mean? Tell every boy and every girl. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
Alright, everybody. I am Marjorie Garden, student of GC Foster College. Nice.
And what you doing for us today?
I will be dancing.
Alright, well bring it to the table. Make us see where she have.
Right now, I feel charged, hey. Girl, I get a massage, hey. House from the hill, go the garage, hey. Tongues to my bus for a cast, man, want live large. I say, I feel charged, hey. Feel like me that Nicki Minaj, hey. Give me a round of applause, hey. Can we start with a pass? Can I take off them? I feel charged. This is the style where you like, she said. This is the ride that you like, me say. Split off a light on my light, hey. Up on the grind overnight. Watch it, to strike, alright. Girl, a pine, mad girl, but no for ride. I'm a type like your bad girl. Charge, hey. Girl, I get a massage, hey. House from the hill, go the garage, hey. Tongues to my bus for a cast, man, want live large. I say, I feel charged, hey. Feel like me that Nicki Minaj.
Hey, stand up, don't move, don't move, don't move. Stand up right there, yeah, don't move. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, she excited, you know. Hey, me I tell you, hey, tell Mr. Spoon for watch for himself. Yes.
Nothing to me like when a female is confident in what she's doing. And she bring her A game. Because me can't talk about fear dance skill because me can't do it.
Yeah.
So me even want, like I tell you, me even want to go there. So let me not even. But the confidence. She is not scared. I know it's a GC Foster student. I'm always bold and out there. So congratulations. I will be seeing you again in the next round. Big up yourself and thanks for making it 100% talent Jamaica.
Alright, Nero, thank you for that. I'm going to move to Ara General. Ara General, guy, Ara up dance hall, you know. So what you think about the female?
Yeah. Alright, here we go now. See from a forward, I see the female over one corner by herself. A dance out. When I say one heap of bag of dancing. So she forward out, prepare, she forward out with her confidence. You see, to how she forward out confident, that alone win. You over the me I deal with, bad dancer. I love how she put the concept towards the song. You know, Nicki Minaj.
Alright, so straight with it, yeah.
Yeah, one thing me the one you do I just dance more. You see me I deal, I know you stop so quick, you know.
Alright, big up yourself. Hey, you should go and go there. I mean, Mr. Smooth here for watch yourself. I want the next female him again. Carry on. She better watch for herself too. Alright, 100% talent is going on well right now. So, introduce yourself.
Yeah, blessed. This is AKA Dan Patan. I have a new song for the people them want to enjoy music, entertainment we deal with. Straight up. Alright. Big up to Kishman, the whole staff, the whole works. Cameraman, everybody, MC, everybody over there. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Well, this song is all about some boy talk about them a chop. I don't know what them a chop. I want them a chop. A grass them a chop, eh? What's your style, yeah? A chop. Pull him up again, pull him up. Alright then. A chopper, yeah. A chopper, way. A chopper. Y'all some boy come over to talk about them a chop. I don't know them a chop, eh? How much grass them a chop? What them know about chopping, eh? What's your style, yeah? Chop. Alright then, chop. A chopper lawyer, chopper beat, a chopper clown them. They come around and go on like so we don't know them. Lick a favor, you need to cause beer problem. Dip in them pocket, them a go and let them no want spend. Boy come around and I say that him a chop. When you look on them phone it, now have a Cashapp who a kind of chop. How much the grass him a chop? New up for your phone where you call it Cashapp. Some of them a chopper lawyer, enough of them a cartoon. Enough of them out, them you know a baboon, yeah. We chop the money and we transfer that. We shall we send it to we Cashapp. Touch the road and look food figure chop. Anyway we bingo what this so we a stop. Who a small bunch and we sit down and chat. Mission accomplished with us chop, chop, chop. Mark X make them vex. Never wonder what next if I the pretty pearl Benz and the BMW X. Chop a new range, new clients every day. When we a chop things must rearrange. Some of them a chop a liar, enough of them a cartoon. Enough of them out them me know a baboon, yeah. We chop the money and we transfer it down. We shall we send it to we Cashapp. Then come around every day with fake story. Check out the net, them all a wear fake jewelry. Money pull up, them a dash out fake money. Selected them a send a bother keep up now. Me bang a phone it a bother them. When them see the brown in them get mad again. And them two of them a creep, them a watch and a peep. At the pattern and me swag it and murder them dirt. Boy come around and I say that him a straight up, straight up.
Alright, may I tell you. Hey, this artist is Buzzy. What is your name again, my boss?
AKA Dan Patton.
Dan Patton. Represent? Where represent?
Portsmouth.
Portsmouth. So you know a Portmore youth. Everything alright, but we chop the grass still. Yeah, I'm still a win. Yeah, so you understand? Alright, so yeah, counselor. I feel like boy, you make the counselor laugh, you know. Counselor Edwards. What do you think about
Million
the content?
Dan Patton, you're entertaining. You're an entertainer. Love that. Your energy high. You're all over the place. Yeah, them say some chick man chick. I saw the thing say all over. Me love that vibes there. You understand me? The lyrics, me say you have a love for the music. So it doesn't matter how you live or what. You do it for fun, which is good, you know. So and I wish you the best at the music career that you pursue and what. You know, so for me, I will allow you to just move forward. Yeah, man, you have that.
All right, thank you for that. Courtney Edwards, Counselor Courtney Edwards. All right, so Lady Tash, what do you think about the chopper boss? Chopper line. Turn on the mic, the phone. Yeah.
Mama ear say chopalistic. Chopalistic. Here we go now. You get neurotastic. Keisha last year was to fly. You go Las Vegas. You are rolling. And hear what me I say. You are going to get the cash from Tash. And you have the $1 million voice with a $1 million performance. Go on the road.
All right. Yo, Arolyn.
Yeah.
Yeah, you what she said a while ago, you're Arolyn. Big up yourself. Oh, you mean a Port Boy youth. Remember, hey, Nero wants to say something to you know.
We never expect that a while ago still. So, your name is going to change, you know, to Mr. Chopper Latino. And the man chop so much till he cut all himself. You know what I mean? But, yo, Aro, trust me. I don't know what to say, Bridget. Just next round. You did it, bro. You did it.
All right, big up yourself, Chopper. Hey, Chopper done. Me have to big up Amma man. You understand? All right, boy, me I tell you. Wait, so we are going to another contestant. I really enjoying the show. It's another new artist, right? All right, remember any artist you don't hear me call, I don't have the name on the list right here. So you have to introduce yourself and welcome to the 100% Talent Show. I'm more have to know what you bring to the table today. Let me see if you're excited.
Well, it's Kwan, the 19-year-old from University of the West Indies. So yeah, we'll come for bring a new era dancehall today, so a different style. Yeah, Kwan. Fully.
Good afternoon, this is your captain speaking with just
anyway,
an altitude of 37,000 feet and our airspeed is
anyway, fully infusion. Watch out. Hold it. Alright then. Spend $1 million, though we make it quick. Infusion and Aki we represent. And if $1 man make it flip. Yo man a top man you try no forget. A weeks we a go for them. Them a hybrid style way I know for them. Them a look hype so we go give them. Alright, yeah. You want money man a pre-want. Every dollar you try no fi follow me. Wealthy a rise economy, yeah. We feel full of dollar like with the politics. I me tell you already man go for everything. Done on my prime and me still in a me teen. Check it, Monta come away you sip on my receipt. We no buy nothing cheap if you know what I mean. Uptown, money man a program. Scotty than we want for richer than for Oprah. Girl sick wanna look how quick them want fi know man. She see the gist I want fi give me panny. Hey no sir, manager me no gross up. Nothing no got nowhere near me mustache. For real she's a G and is a pro that. She see me pants and see me shoes and see the trousers. Been a million that we make it quick. Infusion and a we represent. All if a dollar man make it flip. Yo man a top man a try no forget. Watch ya. A weeks we a go for them. Them a hype with style but you no for them. Them a look hype so big go get them. Them a look hype, everything expensive. Young and healthy, wealthy like me do 4 exchanges. Rolex plenty, road them poor empty. 4 a spin like the what? Golden rim. 2 says he bun about, yeah. Me feel like me dep on house arrest. Just bun a wagga grabba with a pound assess. Manager turn up the sound ya deaf. Manager bucky make me hear it. Them a wonder we do it. Me no cheat, me jacket a Louis V. Touch it cheat, everybody want see me. Never spend a extra, you know me man. Manager.
What you think about this performer? Make some noise to the artist if you don't feel him are going good. Yeah. So make we hear from the judges right now. Our general. What go on? You play with the shirt over there, so wake up.
No, you know, what careful. Careful. Yeah, Kwan are the I name. Kwan. From over Yui. Yeah, manners and respects and give thanks for being a part of the competition. You see me? Yeah, you see me? Bad song. Bad song. You see me? I love your projection. Oh, you show enough artists say you can project over a fire phone, man. You see me? I deal with. So, we love the projection, we love the song. You see me? I deal with everything alright for me. You see me? I deal with, you don't know.
Yeah.
You just give them more energy and just forward up more hard the next one. You see me? I deal with, you know where I look forward to see you. Arrow them.
Harole. Alright, so let's keep the counselor, you know what I mean, in this. Because we are tell you, he always have some good point too, you know.
All right.
You understand? So counselor, Courtney Edwards.
Good delivery and everything, but I want to just give you a word of advice. It's in writing, people don't like to listen for too long. Right? So the best part of the song was given at the last for you. The last verse was better than the first one. To put the last one first. You understand? When you start, diversify the thing. Up and that was the better part for me. So that should have come first. You understand? Coming out for too long. But apart from that, it was good. Well written.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Counselor Courtney Edwards. You don't know, I tell you, one of the counselor them that in our place, you know, so you know. Give him a round of applause, Portmore. Yeah, right, encourage your artists them. 100% talent show. Big up, brother. And you don't know, make sure we see it at the next round. Because this is the official show start right now. Alright, so we think we're going to go into a 5 minutes break. Alright, so you know that now. Artists them out here with them little pan and them ticket. Remember, you have to support them to keep them inside the competition of the 100% talent show. Alright, and remember, voting is going on right now. Remember, $25,000 a giveaway today. $25,000 for the most vote. Anybody get the highest score, that means you get the most vote. Alright, so you will winning $25,000. All courtesy of the 100% talent show. And trust me, we really appreciate to have all contestants right here, you know what I mean, to bring your talent to the table. Hey, turn down the beat. So this is what going on inside the 100% talent show, you know what I mean? All right, so let's just move on to the next contestant right now. Go by the name of Kerry-Ann Brown. Hey, I think she's singing for us today. Kerry-Ann Brown, what go on? Last week you forward excited. More I know where you come with this week, because everybody look out where you come with that week. Yeah. All right, so welcome to Pure the talent show. Yes, 100% talent. All right, so do your thing.
Cold, you see me standing, but I'm dying on the floor. Stone cold. Maybe if I don't cry, I won't feel anymore. cold stone cold. You're dancing with her while I'm staring at my phone. Stone cold, stone cold. I was your ember, but now she's your shade of cold stone cold. Baby, God knows I try to feel happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand. I'll take the pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through. If I'm in I'm happy for you.
Hey, come over right here. Come over here. She said, me not finished yet, but the time. I think she make goosebump. Look for my body. Peer bump. Melody in her voice. Big talent. Big act. Kisha Las Vegas. Yes. As me said, the talent, the show gets serious now.
Sorry about that. You know, when you came to the auditions, I remember thinking how much you have potential, and I remember one of our judges saying to you, you know, giving you guidance, and I think you really took it this time around. And I know that with work that you will improve, but you have so much potential. Your voice speaks volume that you've been there and done that. But you know, say a little toops, young lady. Someone don't say never just say yet. But I liked it. I like I can honestly, there are areas in your voice that I notice it needs some help. But still, overall, I really liked what I heard, and I hear potential. So I liked it a lot, and I'll give you an 8 for your performance, because I think you have so much more into you to push out. All right,
thank you, Kisha, for that. You know what I mean? Words of advice. Yes, she said your voice need a little, you know what I mean? But no, but you know, next time around you can bring whatever you want to bring, and you will go harder, you know what I mean? But Nero, judges, Nero, what do you think about her performance?
All right, so I'm a singer, you know, I'm a singer. So no, not sure yet. All right, so the last time she came and she displayed her talent, we spoke a little bit about the projection of the voice, and she came here and did it. Now, the tone of voice that you're using, it's more of a Mariah Carey type of vibe.
Yes.
It is not easy, because in case I didn't know, that can burst your blood vessel if you don't know what you do. Now, may I give you this for the trying part of it, you know what I mean?
Yes.
So you come back again. Can you see me did tell you? I see it work. All right.
All right, if you think Carol Brown doing well, remember to keep her inside the competition. Just support her whenever you see her out there on the road, campaigning with her family, her lovely Bob. You know what I mean? Yes, so pick up yourself, all right? And make sure you come that next time around.
She's running off the stage too fast now. Each
all right,
of us
come
judges
here.
have to give a number really fast, because you know COVID is here and the time's against us. But each judge has to say something and give something quickly. All right.
Oh, so everybody put up a number?
Yes, everyone has to show a number this time around to see. Remember, it's $25,000. You know, we need to know when total who is going to receive the $25,000. So, Mr. Courtney Edwards says it's what? A 6. And Taff, what are you saying?
All right, our general putting up number 7.
7.
Lady Tash, 6.
Thank you so much.
All right, Courtney have 6. All right, Kisha, you have 8. Nero have 8. It's a good look. Give it up for her, man. Give her a round of applause, man. Baby, for you. Oh, yo, me can't do that. She bad. If she hold them note there, may I tell you, she brilliant. Me like her. Young talent. This is what we're talking about. All right, so we're moving on to another artist. Remember the serious part this now, you know. I'm not laughing with none of my artists them. Every artist just a winner. You know hear what your ball say. Every contestant, Alright, so make sure to bring it and just do the best right here. Alright, so the next contestant right now, I think Mr. Smooth, them go forward. Come dance. Yeah, Brandon. Make your way to center stage. What going, Brandon? Everything alright?
Everything blessed.
Alright, what you coming with for this week?
This week I'm doing gospel.
Oh, you're doing gospel this week. Alright, so let us see what Brandon has right now to bring to the talent show. 100%. Alright, gospel dancing. Let's go.
I used to be so broken, lost, empty. A heart with no beat, a singer with no song to sing. So I know the feeling, the silence is deafening. But in your pain lies a blessing, a sweet and sour victory. So keep walking, 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 though it seems so far. No matter who you are, see there's one thing that I know. Life it can leave you so bitter, 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 bitter. But you must believe that it gets better, 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 better. It's alright, dry your eyes, send a prayer to the sky. I know it's hard to find, but you must believe that it gets better. Almost out of here. See, I was almost done. I wanted to die from how I was done wrong. I cried out every night looking for a helping hand. That's when it happened. Jesus took me and he held me close.
Hey, trust me. Boneless man in a place, you know. Hey, trust me. You're good at what you do. Yes. Trust me. Judges, you better prepare for that one here, because this is elastic man or boneless man or something. You understand? Alright, so hey, first judge, Nero, look like you want to say something.
Alright, so the main fact that the man consistent in traveling from Clarendon to here, because I run a survey and I'm so far you live in the bush, far. And taxi start run after 5 o'clock, so we know it go. So I have to commend you on that for your consistency, one. And the fact that you're doing a storyline while the audio is being presented is another thing. Facial expression, stage usage, everything. You get a 9, clear 9 from me.
Alright, thank you for that, Nero. Kisha Las Vegas, Brandon.
You know, honestly, for me, I remember when you came in at the auditions, and Brandon, I must say, I preferred that that dance, because the song suit the style of dance that you're doing. And so I would commend you for today and what you've done, but I really preferred the last song. So maybe you have to work a bit better on choosing the songs, because the way your body flows is just effortless. So you have to choose songs that show how effortless you can actually move. All right? But I'll give you a 7. Okay?
Alright, so Brandon, you're going good, you know? You're going good. But let me move on to another female. Make me hear what Lady Tash has to say about your dance move. Lady Tash.
Brandon, your move was like telling a story. I like how you connect with what the song was saying. I love the effort, and to see that you're actually consistent. You travel all the way from where, Clarendon? to be here. This tells me that is your passion and you really love it. You understand me?
Yes,
I'm gonna
for
give
real.
you a 9.
A 9.
Yeah.
All right, put up the 9 now. Let them see it. Find the 9 and put up the 9. Yeah, kind of stay in the contest. You know what I mean? Big up yourself and we want to see what you are forward with. And hopefully out there doing your campaigning, you know what I mean? So the persons can see our general give a 9 again. All right, so you get a 9 from our general. You get a 9 from Lady Tash. You get a 9 from Counselor Courtney. You get a 9 from Nero. And you get a 8.
You made me feel bad.
All right. Trouble the year, you know, I tell you, say, as I say, this is the serious part of the show. So every talent counts right now. You understand? All right, so 2 contestants so far. Every judge put up a number a while ago. So to make sure you have the score, them written down. All right, so let's move on to another performance right now. Make your way to center stage. And the man himself with the instrument, Natty Beach. Natty Beach. 100% talent show right now. Natty Beach. Natty Beach always a bunks, you know. From you see me my bugs, I wonder if I warm him or warm. But Natty Beach, make your way to center stage right now. You know what I mean? And big up everybody who make this show possible. What's up? After Natty Beach. All right, Natty Beach, make your way. I'm here to tell you, say it's an excited Rastaman too, you know. 100% talent show. Hey, I tell you, I feel like in here so too small for y'all. Natty Beach, you know. You know what I mean? Natty Beach. Welcome back to the show. You know what I mean? Hopefully everybody just keep on voting. You know what I mean? To keep you in this competition. And we really appreciate to have you here. And 100% talent. I don't know what you're doing for us today. What you doing for us today?
You want a Bob Marley Redemption song.
All right, so let's do this right now. Natty Beach, take it away.
Pirate cook and general, tearing the people apart. Whoa. People robbing and grabbing, weeping, wailing and moaning. Mafia, pirate, cook and general, tearing the people apart. Combat zone in the city. Hey, some of them are hide behind the tomb in the cemetery, murdering the people without mercy. Blood spilling, it can't continue this. Blood shedding have to stop. The rage lamp a thunder lightning pan the rep to bed. This a blood bath have to stop. Hey, blood spilling, it can't continue this. Blood shedding have to stop. The rage lamp a thunder lightning pan the rep to bed. This a blood bath have to stop. Vengeance is mine, I'll repay, said the Almighty. But them take up the law in them own hand. And I murder innocent civilly and just like that. Shut out the little girl eye. And them slug out the little boy heart from to the wall. Sniper lick out the old man head back. And them throw back a bomb in a people house. Fling down the might in a armored car. Light the man live with fire. The blood a run uptown, blood a run downtown. Look out the old bandit back round the lane. Running gun back across the gully. Whoa! Hey!
All right, Natty Beach. Hey, give it up for the Rasta man, the man. May I tell you, the current always a shock, you know. Yo, this man, hey, trust me, he's a great performer, you know. Yes. All right, Natty Beach right now. Remember to keep the votes coming in. To keep Natty Beach inside the competition right now. So the first judges is Kisha, Las Vegas. What you think about the instrument player, the man himself, Natty Beach?
I just love how Natty is able to remind us about the cool vibes of Jamaica. You know, the easy-going culture of Jamaica, and he reminds me of that. Was that an original song, or who sing it? Was that the original
song?
I love it. Even more, I am impressed. I love the vibe. I really like that. That says so Jamaica. The other day when there's another competition for Jamaica, you should have entered with that song because I really think that's a Jamaican, the true sense of Jamaica was in your song. I liked it. And because I liked it so much, the vibes, I'm going to give you a 9. I really liked it.
Keisha, Las Vegas, give it your
Definitely
9.
a 9. I like the vibe.
Alright,
of it.
I want to see what the rest of judges. Put up the 9 now. I'm not going to afraid to put up the number them.
9 for you. 9. I really liked it. Great.
And I see that Counselor Courtney put up a 9 also. You know
Nero,
what I mean?
what you saying?
Yeah, but Nero, what you think about Nero? Are you an artist? This is your
Love the
artist?
way him sing that song. Him really have to sing that back. Yeah, always an energy. But as I know, true Jamaican representative. You know what I mean? And with that said, I gave him a 6.
A 6?
Yeah, because 6 is real.
Nero, me don't like you again. me don't like you again, Nero. Me don't like you, Nero. It's
A 6.
Alright, you're my artist.
Alright. Lady Tash, what you have to say about Natty Beach performance? And remember, you have to put up the number. Make sure on the writing down. Make sure on the written down all contestants' numbers.
It
Alright?
was spiritual. I feel like I want to sing Awake Zion Awake. I'm going to spin my roll and all of them something there.
Yeah.
Natty, you're deep, you're passionate. But me I get the higher 7 still, you understand?
A 7. Put up the 7 now. Find the 7 and put up the 7, please. Alright. So, our general. Everybody have to put up a score today.
Yeah, Bobo. Yeah, Bobo.
You not written down the scores?
You see me I deal with. Yeah, man, the energy and the performance mighty full. You see me I deal. Me personally, respect the eye forward out and showcase the eye talent. You see me? But when me really did I look forward to see, you really perform with the guitar. You see me I deal with me one.
Yeah.
You use that all me daddy I look at guitar, me daddy I want you
Trust me.
what's going on one part tight and guitar a solo something. Just guitar alone. You see me? So for me, I give a 6 to likewise. You see me?
A 6?
Oh man, a 6.
Hey, that's a 9. Hey, that's the 9. Alright, everybody put up them score, please. Make the cameras catch it. Alright, so Nero give you a 6. Keisha Las Vegas, 6. Counselor, oh, it's a 9. Sorry, Keisha Las Vegas got 9. Counselor Courtney put up 9. Lady Tash, number 7. And our general, 6. Wonder which part you write your song them from. Big up yourself now, hey, may I tell you, you see, Major Jackson have to go watch for himself, you know. You better go write some big song.